More than 500,000 Americans are finding discount prices for cosmetic surgeries in other countries. On average, you'll pay 40% less. A lower neck lift in Costa Rica costs $3,000 compared to $7,000 in the U.S. A breast lift, $3,000 there, $8,000 here. In Mexico, a tummy tuck runs $4,000. Here, $15,000.
Was cheaper. However, I have since learned you get what you pay for.
Bob Kelly traveled to Mexico in hopes of saving a little money while shaving some years off his face.
The reason I went down there is I didn't want this look, I wanted this look.
Everything seemed fine after surgery, but when he got home,
I ended up with infections, very bad scarring. I would call the doctor, and all of a sudden no one spoke English.
Back home in the States, help was not easy to find.
It's very difficult at times to get a doctor here to take over another doctor's work.
Bob's doctor, Jeffrey Ronsley, says when patients come to him after surgery outside the U.S., he sees severe scarring, infections, and worse.
In rhinoplasty, I've seen people leave cotton balls underneath the skin. With the facelifts, I've seen many times nerve injuries where people have permanent numbness.
There are key questions to ask before choosing a doctor out of the country. Were they trained in the U.S.? How long have they been doing this specific procedure? Check malpractice history, disciplinary actions. If a doctor has practiced in the U.S. at any time, those records can be found on the internet. And first and foremost, remember, this is a medical procedure. Bob's $6,000 discount surgery will end up costing him $15,000 to fix.
That was probably the biggest mistake I ever made in my life.